Hey guys, welcome to another episode of The Masked Wanderer. I've been watching this wintry precip that we were supposed to get here in the Atlanta area in Georgia, and this is the first time I can actually take a decent video now that the sun's starting to rise. But we were just expecting a little bit of freezing rain, and then I started to see accumulation, and now it's like actually snowing. Beautiful big clumps of snow like what you see in other places up north. It's really accumulating. Definitely, we're right here on this banister here, so you can see definitely some accumulation. And it's only been snowing, raining, snowing for about an hour and a half. It's about 7:30 right now. Just turned 8 o'clock a little while ago, and you can see the snowfall is not as thick. It still looks kind of like snow, but those thick, pretty, fluffy drops are gone. It looks like we're transitioning over from snow to sleet. Yeah, just 20 minutes later, and no more snow. I believe this is what you would call sleet. This is that snow that hurts when it smacks you in the face. That hard snow. No more fluffy snow. But we did get a good bit of accumulation there as far as the snowfall. Even the footprints from when I was out here earlier have completely disappeared. It's not supposed to get above freezing today, so I don't anticipate that any of this is going to melt. I know we are supposed to transition from sleet to freezing rain, but hopefully it doesn't wash anything away. So we'll check back and see what, when it changes over again and what our final accumulations might look like. You see, that's that snow that hurts when it hits you. It bounces off like a pebble. So we had a brief period between, I want to say like maybe 12 and 1. And it's about 3:30 now, so it's just starting to actually rain. So we've gotten through snow, which I have a picture of the 3.5 inches of snow that we received. See, there's a couple footprints out from us and the girls running around. So we had the snow, we had the sleet, that hard ice that was falling out of the sky. We had the freezing rain, and that ended a couple hours ago. And now it's starting back up to rain. Just wanted to come check out the rain gauge. There's actually a combination of ice and water in there. It's at like a 1/8 of an inch of water at the bottom, and the rest is all ice. It's pretty interesting. So we'll just see how much more rain we get throughout the rest of the evening. It's supposed to continue raining until around midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. It's been a very interesting and fun day, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.